to you by...
Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. August 16 is the date when Jamaicans will know who will represent the country in the women's 100-meter hurdles at the IAAF World Athletics Championships later this year. However, 2015 world champion Danielle Williams will not be among those considered for selection. This follows Sunday's fiasco at the National Senior Athletics Championships, which led to the women's 100-meter hurdles final being aborted. An attempt to have the final contested was held up for more than 20 minutes after Williams, who was deemed to have a false started, protested and refused to leave the track. The race eventually got underway without Williams, but ended in chaos and controversy, as a few athletes claimed not to have heard the starter's gun, while some reported that they did not hear the gun of the recalled starter. In a release, the J3 said a rerun was not feasible at this time and that the IAAF World Rankings as at August 16 would be used to select the three athletes. New national record holder Janet Brown at 12.40 seconds, Janine Williams 12.72, Yannick Thompson 12.80 and Megan Tapper 12.93 have already met the IAAF qualifying mark of 12.98. The other finalists were